What happens when American power dares to evolve beyond the racetrack? When the spirit of Corvette refuses to be confined by asphalt and the open road becomes infinite? You get the impossible, the 2026 Corvette Motorhome. A machine that doesn't just challenge limits, it erases them. This is no ordinary RV. This is a Corvette unleashed, reborn not just for the highway, but for a new era of freedom, precision, and dominance. The 2026 Corvette Motorhome stands as an icon of rebellion. Its silhouette, long, muscular, and aerodynamic, is crafted from aerospace-grade carbon fiber, sculpted by the same hands that engineered America's most powerful sports cars. Every line is calculated. Every edge is alive. The front fascia bears the Corvette signature, sharp LED eyes glowing with predatory intent. Air channels slice through the body, directing wind like a fighter jet through the clouds. Even parked, it feels like it's breaking the speed of sound. Beneath the surface roars a heart of fury, the LT7 hybrid twin-turbo V8 fused with Corvette's E-Drive intelligent powertrain. Together, they produce an earth-shaking 950 horsepower, channeled through a dual-speed smart transmission that adapts in milliseconds. The result? A motorhome that launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds, while hauling your life, your dreams, your world. This isn't a vehicle for comfort alone. It's for conquest. It's for those who refuse to slow down. But the Corvette Motorhome doesn't shout for attention. It commands it. As it moves, the adaptive aerodynamic shifts shape in real time, lowering the chassis to hug the road at high speed, then rising with poise when it reaches your destination. The body glows with kinetic light patterns, responding to movement, temperature, and sound, alive like a breathing creature of the night. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a living organism born of steel, carbon, and electric willpower. Step inside, and the aggression transforms into serenity. The cockpit greets you with a symphony of light, a holographic HUD displaying live performance metrics, navigation overlays, and even biometric data synced to your heartbeat. The steering interface folds around your hands like a second skin. Every control is voice responsive. Say, "Ignite," and the system awakens with a low mechanical growl, engines humming in harmony with your command. Say, "Activate Horizon mode," and the entire cabin transforms into an intelligent habitat, adjusting lighting, temperature, and suspension for long-distance travel. The AI core, codenamed Corvette OS 2.6, is more than an assistant. It's your co-pilot, your navigator, and your protector. It studies your patterns, predicts your needs, and evolves with every mile. It learns when you're tense. It knows when to cool the cabin, when to dim the lights, when to cue the perfect driving playlist. It's not artificial intelligence, it's emotional intelligence, bound to the pulse of the driver. The living area extends beyond imagination, a modular carbon titanium structure that morphs on command. One phrase, transform layout alpha, and walls shift silently, revealing a lounge bathed in ambient nanolight, sculpted furniture adjusting its shape to match your posture. Another phrase, rest mode, and the roof darkens, and your panoramic glass ceiling turns transparent, unveiling the cosmos above. Corvette calls it luxury. You'll call it home. The entertainment system is built for more than leisure. It's cinematic power. A 180-degree holographic display folds from the ceiling, paired with spatial sound that reacts to your position. Drones stored in the rear bay deploy autonomously, filming your journey from the sky and syncing the footage to your onboard editor. You don't just travel, you create your own movie in real time. Every turn, every sunset, every roar of the engine captured in 8K brilliance. Underneath the floor, the energy system tells another story of evolution. A dual-layer hydrogen-electric hybrid battery network feeds power to the drivetrain and living modules separately, ensuring balance and infinite range through solar regeneration. The rooftop integrates next-gen nanofilm solar arrays, ultra-thin, flexible panels capable of absorbing energy even under moonlight. Energy independence redefined. Wherever you go, the Corvette Motorhome creates its own horizon. Safety isn't an afterthought. It's part of the design language. The AI continuously scans the terrain with 360-degree LiDAR, predicting road conditions up to 200 meters ahead. Adaptive suspension responds to imperfections before you even feel them. And if danger emerges, the system executes evasive maneuvers faster than human reflexes. Inside, a kinetic shell protection field surrounds passengers, tightening structural integrity under stress like a living exoskeleton. You're not just protected, you're untouchable. Every journey inside the 2026 Corvette Motorhome feels like piloting the future. It's not about camping or commuting. It's about control, mastery over machine, nature, and distance. It's about owning time itself. The AI doesn't just follow your route, it anticipates where you'll want to go next. It monitors your energy, your sleep cycle, your heart rate, even suggesting rest points and recalibrating the cabin atmosphere to maintain peak alertness. It's not artificial intelligence, it's emotional intelligence, bound to the pulse of the driver. The materials that surround you are pure innovation. Surfaces made from graphene-infused polymers shimmer subtly, changing hue as light dances across them. The seats are lined with memory-grade nanofabric that adjusts micropressure in real time, creating zero fatigue even on cross-country drives. Touch surfaces recognize your fingerprints and temperature, activating personalized settings the instant you enter the cabin. Every inch is crafted to respond, to listen, to feel alive. And yet, for all its intelligence and power, the 2026 Corvette Motorhome carries something deeper. The soul of the Corvette itself. That unmistakable hum of mechanical thunder. That hunger for the open road. That relentless chase for perfection. It's not a replacement for the Corvette legacy. It's its evolution. A bridge between supercar heritage and a future where speed meets sustainability and luxury meets consciousness. Outside, under starlight, it gleams like a spacecraft grounded only by the laws of beauty. Inside, it feels like stepping into another dimension, where technology dissolves the barrier between driver and machine. You don't drive it, you merge with it. The road doesn't end, it unfolds. Every mile a pulse, every horizon a promise, every silence a roar waiting to happen. Because this isn't just travel, it's transcendence. The 2026 Corvette Motorhome isn't built for those who want to escape life. It's built for those who want to live it louder, faster, and smarter than anyone else. It's for the pioneers of the next generation, the ones who understand that luxury isn't about slowing down, it's about taking the future with you. Corvette didn't build a motorhome, it built a revolution on wheels. And when the night falls and the engine rests under a blanket of stars, the heartbeat of the machine doesn't fade. It waits, it listens, it remembers every mile you've conquered. Tomorrow it will wake again, not as a vehicle, but as your companion. A reminder that the horizon was never a destination, it was always the beginning.